Hello and welcome to English Bites. In this video, we are discussing the word abandon. Abandon has 3 syllables and we pronounce it as abandon, abandon, abandon. Now, let's understand its meaning. Abandon means to leave a place, thing, or a person, usually forever. When someone abandons something, it means they leave it and don't come back for it. Like when you forget or keep your bag at the park and you don't go get it, your bag is all alone. That is like abandoning. So in simple words, leaving something behind and not taking care of it is called abandon. Now let me tell you the example sentences. Number 1. We have decided to abandon our old house and find a new one. Number 2. The player had to abandon the match due to an injury. Synonyms of abandon are leave, neglect, forsake. Antonyms are maintain, support, keep. The first form is abandon. The second form is abandoned. The third form is abandoned. Common preposition used with this word is to. The other prepositions are abandoned by, abandon in. Thanks for watching.